Opioid overdose deaths have risen in the last few years. In 2020, the drugs killed more than 4,000 people in Pennsylvania alone. One doctor is trying to tackle that epidemic by getting healthcare professionals involved in this fight. Sonica Bargo joins us now with more. Sonica.
Valerie, Dr. Asif Ilyas says opioid addiction can often start with prescription painkillers, so he wanted to give current and future medical professionals other ways to treat pain. He says this method is already seeing results.
We need opioids to do a lot of the things that we do, but there's ways to use it safely.
Surgeon Asif Ilyas says his medical training and the rise of the opioid epidemic happened at the same time.
I started to see the problems related to the opioid crisis with opioid addiction, opioid abuse, and unfortunately opioid-related deaths.
And he started to see healthcare's role.
Just overprescribing inadvertently.
This led to his work with the Rothman Opioid Foundation, launched in 2020. Part of the foundation's mission is educating medical professionals on other ways to treat pain.
Rely less on opioids, there's going to be less dependency and subsequently less addiction and abuse.
Ilyas says better pain management involves a combination of things like ice plus over-the-counter and prescription medications. He says research shows this method is working.
In Pennsylvania alone, we're seeing a 30 to 40% reduction in prescribing of opioids over the past few years.
But Ilyas wanted to start educating earlier.
So future MD and DOs can take this and learn from it.
So he created a free curriculum on opioid and pain management and put it online.
Medical schools anywhere can access this.
The course teaches people how to treat different types of pain by giving them real scenarios they could face. Ilyas says there's also a curriculum tailored to nurses and physician assistants.
If we can educate our future prescribers effectively now, you can imagine how that extrapolates over time to more conscientious prescribing as they enter their careers.
Dr. Ilyas says while better pain management is yielding results, healthcare can't solve this epidemic by itself. Opioid deaths haven't dropped, and he says the rise of fentanyl is a big reason. So he says government and law enforcement are critical partners in this mission. In the studio, Sonica Bargo, ABC 27 News.